let's just get you visuals of the kind of damage that has been seen since early this morning, that is being reported from various parts. And here you have visuals on your screen playing from most parts of Japan and Russia, where of course the warning sirens have been blaring. People have been asked to move to higher ground. People have been actually taking shelter as far as the rooftops of their buildings are concerned, moving out, in fact, with very little, with less than a shirt on their back, and literally leaving their homes and their residences, getting onto the streets, getting onto higher ground. And that is the kind of warning that is being put out, and that's in place, in fact, the authorities have in fact been saying. So it is Japan that has issued that tsunami advisory for much of its east coast, warning of waves up to 3 meters high. Tsunami warnings are in place, not just for Japan and for Russia. Of course, several people were injured in Russia's Far East during the earthquake, is what is being reported at the moment. So a lot of precaution is now being asked of people. They're being asked to move to higher area. People are being evacuated, particularly from low-lying areas. That is the authorities and rescue operations are underway. This is in fact from the visuals that you can see, several buildings were swept away in the town of in the Kuril Islands when tsunami waves hit earlier today.